Okay, so today I'll show you a bit about nesting on VStudio. So nesting is basically cutting different types of jobs out of one sheet. So how we start is we type in the width and the height of the mapboard you need, as in a job. So if this is one of the jobs that I need to nest, I come over here to the button on the right hand side which says Send to Nesting. When I hit this button, it actually gives me a name. So that's 300 by 400. Press OK, and I will bring up, I'll type in another shape, whether that might be 600 by 400. Bring in my template and send that one to nest, and delete the opening. Come back to another width which might be 700 by 500. Bring another opening and send to nest. Once we've sent all of our jobs to nest, what I basically do is I go back to my startup screen box and press Smart Cut, which takes you straight to the cut screen. From here we go to the top right hand corner which says Nesting. Brings up another box here. We can type in the size of the mat board. So a standard board 1000 by 800. So all of the jobs are sitting here. So it's just a matter of selecting the job. So I'll choose the biggest one first. I click over here in this open area, just with the left hand mouse click. Just move your mouse a little bit. As soon as the shape is shown, you can just let go of the mouse and it will dock to the bottom here. If I wanted it to run up and down, what I'll do is I'll just delete this, so right hand mouse click and delete. While the shape has been selected, I could come down here and just rotate, and you'll see that this shape will rotate. Once again, drag and drop. Then I can choose a smaller shape here. I can drop that in the middle here. That will dock it to the edge. If I wanted it in the middle of the mat, I can go to free mode here. And what free mode is, as soon as you let go of that mouse, it will stay in place. Choose another shape. Well, that one's not going to fit, so I'll delete that. Rotate it, click and drop. Let's see if another little shape will fit in there. No, it won't. So once that job's done, if you're only ever going to cut that once, no problems, you can just press cut. If this is something that the nesting you're going to be doing multiple times over and over again, we can save that. So press save, give it a name, press save. So next time when you want to do a nesting job, you don't have to bring these jobs in. All I have to do is just go open, click the test job, it's here, press a picture of the blade and it goes straight to the cut screen. And from here it's just like cutting normal mats, and press cut. Hope this helps.